Hey everyone, it's your name here, and if you're anything like me, you're obsessed with getting more leads and customers from your website. But here's the thing. Your website is like a high-performance car. You can't just expect it to run smoothly without regular tune-ups. That's where website audits come in. It's the secret sauce to unlocking higher rankings, more traffic, and ultimately, more business. Think about it. Your website is your 24/7 salesperson. It's working even while you sleep. But if it's slow, confusing, or just plain ugly, you're losing out on valuable leads and sales. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple 5-step website audit that anyone can do. No technical jargon, no fancy tools, just actionable steps that you can implement right away. Let's dive in. First impressions matter, and in the online world, you've got about 3 seconds to make a good one. That's why website speed is crucial. Head over to Google PageSpeed Insights and type in your website URL. This free tool will give you a score out of 100 for both mobile and desktop. Aim for a score of 85 or higher. If your site is slow, don't panic. There are simple fixes like compressing your images and minimizing unnecessary plugins. Think about how often you use your phone to browse the internet. Now consider that over 60% of all web traffic comes from mobile devices. That's why it's critical that your website is mobile-friendly. Luckily, Google has another free tool for this, the mobile-friendly test. Just like before, enter your website URL and see how you stack up. If the test reveals any issues, prioritize fixing them. A poor mobile experience can lead to high bounce rates and lost opportunities. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making it easy for Google to understand and rank your website. One of the best ways to improve your SEO is through on-page optimization. Start by using relevant keywords in your page titles, meta descriptions, and throughout your content. But don't stuff keywords in unnaturally. Write for humans first, search engines second. Also, make sure your H1, H2, and H3 headings are properly structured. This helps Google understand the hierarchy and relevance of your content. Ever clicked on a link only to be met with a dreaded 404 error page? Frustrating, right? Broken links are bad for both user experience and SEO. Use a tool like Broken Link Checker to scan your website for any broken links or 404 errors. It's a lifesaver. Once you've identified any issues, update outdated pages and fix incorrect URLs. Your visitors, and Google, will thank you. Your call to action, or CTA, is what you want visitors to do after they land on your page. Do you want them to buy now, schedule a consultation, or download a free resource? Make sure every page on your website has a clear and compelling CTA. Use strong verbs like get started, learn more, or claim your discount. And don't be afraid to experiment with button colors, placement, and copy to see what converts best. There you have it. 5 simple yet powerful steps to boost your website's performance and SEO. Remember, your website is an investment, not an expense. By putting in the effort to optimize it, you'll reap the rewards in the form of more traffic, leads, and sales. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and make your website the best it can be. Pro tip: regular website audits help boost SEO rankings and create a better user experience. Take 30 minutes today to review your site and make these small but impactful changes.